It's mid-April, but this isn't spring. This is Montana. And this storm, it's brutal. Outside the other door. That snow's getting ready to fall. Hi, I'm MaryJo, and I live in central Montana. While most people are looking for wildflowers or planting flowers in their garden in April, we're digging out from feet of snow again. Let's rewind to see how this compares to what weather threw at us in February and how this affects caring for animals every single day. Oh my, she sounds so sad. In February, the snow was so deep we didn't even have to worry about whether or not Miss Calamity Jane would be able to get underneath the wild pen fence because the snow was so deep. And now in April, we had over a foot of snow in 24 hours. So now the roads are slippery again. The wildflowers that were growing are covered in snow, guys. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait for all this to melt again. Back in February, we expected the cold. Temps dipped to about 45 below zero. And I wouldn't say it was manageable. Honk got sick. It was hard. But April storm, wet, heavy, unpredictable. You prepare for February. You don't prepare for this kind of April. So at this point, we're plugging back in the water tank heaters, breaking open water, making sure they're all drinking lots of water while it's cold out. We don't want anybody to get sick. Every day, no matter the weather, animals need feed, water, shelter. In winter, it's easier said than done. So we're going to be breaking open that with water troughs, feeding livestock in the blowing snow. Typically, they're pretty crabby when they're wet and cold. And even though they all have shelters to go into, they don't always want to be in there. Calamity Jane has no problem with this weather as long as she gets to go warm up by the wood stove afterwards. When I first noticed Stormy's tail here, it was 35, 40 below zero. I was really hoping it was just frozen in a mat and not that his tail was gone. But there was also green slime on it, guys, so I'm pretty certain Stein was chewing on it. I don't have proof other than the green slime. He used to drool a lot. Life out here doesn't stop for the weather. We adapt, we push through, and we take care of what matters. Winter is just a season. It's a test. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more Montana life and behind the scenes grit.